Hey guys, so welcome to the channel. This is Allison. Before you get started, I highly recommend that before you start any exercise program or make any changes in your wellness routine, you consult your doctor. A little bit about this chair workout session. It is suitable for seniors, beginners, or for anyone for that fact. So let's get started. Before we start any movement, we want to make sure that we're sitting up properly in our chair. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths and just meditate. Remember, this is your time and there's no need to rush into anything. So before we start moving, we're just going to take a moment and meditate. And as I mentioned, this program is suitable for just about anyone. So let's get started in a few neck rotations. Whenever you are doing any workouts with your neck, you want to make sure that you're doing it very, very slowly. Listen to your body. You want to make sure, again, that you are taking it very easy when you are rotating your neck. If you feel any discomfort, please stop. Now we're going to move forward. We're getting some blood flowing in our shoulders, and you're just going to move your shoulders up to your ears. You're going to have your hands relaxed on your knees, on your thighs, wherever you feel comfortable. Now let's reach our arms up overhead. Again, go at your own pace. If you can't reach it all the way up, listen to your body and go as far as you can. Now we're going to stretch our arms out. Going to wake it up, and then now cactus your arms, and we're going to get the blood flowing in our upper part of our necks, in our shoulders. Just open your arms up and then up and out. All right. Now we're going to do some side bends. So just take one arm, straighten it up in the air, and lean to the opposite side, and just stretch from the waist. This is going to get the blood flowing the side of our bodies. You're going to have one hand resting on the opposite leg as you lean forward. And make sure you're keeping your bottom in the chair. You want to prevent it from lifting up. The only thing that you should be moving is your waist. And we're going to repeat it on the other side. This exercise is great in the morning time when you're waking up and your body is stiff and you need to get some blood flowing. And as I mentioned earlier, and I'll repeat it throughout the workout, always listen to your body. And if you can only do one or two, that is absolutely okay. You can just pause the video and wait until I move to the second pose. Now we're just going to stretch our waist and turn to the side of your chair. Keep one leg face forward and the other one to the side, and turn, um, grip the back of the chair with both hands and just turn at the waist. And we're going to repeat it on the opposite side. All right, let's transition to our next pose. Now scoot to the edge of your chair. Make sure that you're holding on. And we're just going to do a few leg rotation. And if you can't go all the way down like I'm doing in the video where my knee is pretty much touching the mat, that is absolutely okay. You want to listen to your body and you want to go as far as your body will allow you to go. The main thing is that you are moving your body. Now we're going to sit back in our chair and we're going to just march in place. You could keep your hands on your knees and just slowly march in place. And always, while you're performing these exercises, make sure that you are breathing in through your nose and out. The next thing we're going to do is just move your knee, one knee up to your chest. And we're going to do a few ankle rotation. You're going to rotate it to one side, then the opposite side. Now I'm just pointing and flexing my foot. And as always, we're going to repeat the same sequence on the other side. And if you can't move your knee up to your chest, that is absolutely okay. You can raise your foot and you can just rotate it from the ground. Again, listen to your body and go as far as your body will allow you to do it. And if you continue this workout, you'll be surprised in no time you can move your knee all the way to your chest. Now we're just going to do some calf raises. So put your feet flat on the floor and just lift up to your toes. And I totally forgot to do this earlier. So we're just going to do some wrist rotation. We want to make sure that the blood is flowing throughout our wrist. So we're going to rotate it clockwise and then we're going to reverse it to the next side. Now just pull your fingers back with one hand, and then we're going to do it on the other side. Now just open your hands up, your fingers, I'm sorry, and shake them out. loosen it up just a little bit more. And we have come to the end of our session. We're going to take a few deep breaths, raising your arms up and over your head. Make sure that you're breathing through your nose and outside of your nose. Take this moment. We're going to end our session the way we started by just doing a little round of meditation. And during this time, you want to just show yourself some love and appreciation for showing up for yourself. You did an outstanding job. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.